Hey YouTube, Aries here and Moon Baby. And last year I tried doing a video every day for an advent calendar, but we both got sick. And I'm gonna try it again this year. And mystery Oreos. Finally got my hand on a package of these. So today's the 1st of December, so I gotta open door number 1. The great thing about these calendars is the highly misshapen chocolates. So I get a guess of what it's supposed to be. Where'd it go?
I have no idea.
We had technical difficulties, so I was trying to show you guys the shape, but it just decided to jump out. This one's actually pretty simple.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a Christmas tree, and usually they're pretty deformed, misshapen, because they're made in China. So yeah, Christmas tree, chocolate. Do you want half?
Oh, thank you.
It tastes like Nestle chocolate. I'll read about it later. So, mystery Oreos. What do you think they're gonna be like?
It's a mystery.
I don't think they'll be able to hear you. Speak up.
I said it's a mystery.
Oh, that's a little bit scary smelling. Smells like pine sol.
No, it smells like fruit, like orange. They're probably chocolate orange.
So, the really thick, really thick. Like, these are like how double stuff are supposed to be. Oh yeah, kind of smells like that orange glow floor cleaner. So,
No, it doesn't. It smells like my orange hand cream.
I mean, they look just like a normal Oreo, like how double stuff is supposed to be. So, bottoms up.
Tastes just like Fruity Pebbles.
That's what I was about to say.
Or Fruit Loops.
Yeah, so.
Basically, it's a fruit-flavored cereal Oreo.
It's not bad. Tastes just like Fruity Pebbles and milk. I like those. I would give them a mystery box out of 10.
I'd give them a 6 out of 10 or a 7. Better than some of the flavors that we've had.
Remember the Peep Cream Oreo?
The cream was crunchy.
They were bad. They were really bad. So, yeah. Took me a while to get these. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll try to do another video tomorrow and every day till Christmas. So, don't forget to be awesome.
Peace.